Hello guys, in this video I will compare Olama and Llama.cpp, two powerful tools for running LLMs locally on your machine, and I will help you to figure out which one fits for your need. So let's compare both of them. Number 1, installation and setup. Olama offers a super easy CLI based install for macOS and Linux, while llama.cpp flexible, it needs you to build from source or use wrappers like llama.cpp Python. Olama is better for beginners or those who want minimal setup. Number 2, model support. Llama CPP supports a wider range of quantized models and has a robust performance on CPU with GGUF or GGML models, while Olama also supports multiple models, but it focuses on smoother switching between them. For power users, Llama.cpp offers deeper customization. Number 3, performance and hardware use. Llama.cpp is optimized for low RAM machines and it can run 7B models on laptops, while Olama is optimized for user experience and runs smoothly on Macs with Apple Silicon. And then Llama CPP allows more fine-tuning, but Olama is easier to get started with. Number 4, use case and flexibility. Olama is best for those who want a chat GPT-like local experience quickly, and Llama CPP is suited for developers building LLM-based apps, bots, or fine-tuning. Choose based on whether you want to ease or control. So for final verdict, you can go for a llama if you are new to LLMs or you want simplicity. And you can choose llama.cpp if you are technical and you want full control over local LLMs and models. So if this video helped you, feel free to like and subscribe for more quick tutorials, reviews, and comparison videos. Thank you for watching.